Hi, this is Terry. I want to welcome you back to the Chugwater Chili Kitchen here in Chugwater, Wyoming. Today we're going to do another recipe out of our Chugwater Chili Cookbook. You guys, this is a great resource for so many different occasions. Our recipe today is on page 43. It's just this very simple red pepper jelly with cream cheese and crackers. I have never served this and failed to have people just love it. So simple and so popular. You're just going to take softened cream cheese, and you can use a block if you like, and just put it in the middle of your serving plate. But we happen to have whipped today, so that's what we're going to use. Just kind of smooth it out a little bit. And this recipe uses our wonderful Chugwater Chili red pepper jelly. You guys, this has just the right amount of tang with spice and sweetness. It's really, really delicious. And this is a great way to use it. We use a half a cup for this recipe. You're just going to pour it on top. Pretty festive, huh? That beautiful red color for our Christmas season coming up. And then on the side, you can serve it with any crackers of your choice. Today we have just basic butter crackers like a club cracker. And then we also have some wheat thins. It's delicious on either kind. You can also use gluten-free crackers or whatever else might trip your little appetite trigger. Allow your guests to put a little bit on top and enjoy. Thanks for stopping by today.